The human mind is like a garden. If you plant negative thoughts, you'll harvest worries, fears, and insecurities. But if you learn to plant positive thoughts, life changes. Today, you'll find out how to reprogram your mind to think positively, facing everyday challenges with optimism and resilience. Science teaches us that the brain isn't static. It can be shaped, modified, and improved through continuous practice. This is called neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to create new connections and strengthen existing neural pathways. When you practice positive thinking, your brain literally rewires itself to adopt a new perspective. Reprogramming your mind starts with simple but powerful practices. First, use positive affirmations daily. Say phrases out loud like, "I am capable," "I deserve to be happy," "I choose to see the good in things." Repeating these phrases helps replace automatic negative thoughts with empowering ones. Also, keep a gratitude journal. Every night, write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. This practice, backed by science, helps shift your mind's focus from problems to the blessings you already have. Meditation and physical exercise are other essential practices. Meditation helps calm the mind and reduce stress, while exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that naturally boost your mood. It's natural that when you try to think positively, you'll face internal resistance. Negative thoughts may pop up, questioning your worth or abilities. When this happens, remember, these thoughts are just reflections of old patterns. Acknowledge them, but don't hold on to them. Replace them immediately with a positive affirmation or visualize a moment where you succeeded. Over time, these new patterns will grow stronger and the old ones will fade. Reprogramming your mind is a process, a journey of self-discovery and growth. But with daily practice, you can transform your thoughts and in turn your life. Start today with small changes. Pick a positive thought now and repeat it throughout the day. Build the future you want, one positive thought at a time. Remember, practice, take action, make it happen. Only you can change the course of your path. Subscribe to our channel and join those who want to see the world through their true eyes. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos, and leave a like to help us bring even better content. See you in the next video of Chapter 1, Series 1. Bye bye everyone.